Hello, this is Manuel Elonai coming to you through my YouTube channel. Once again, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification icon, like and share the video so that we can reach as many people as possible. Today in One Lead System Pixel, I will be talking about how to earn with this amazing system. Okay, a lot of people have actually approached me, okay, have sent me messages as to how do they earn with the system. Okay, I did a video about this, and this one I am doing again, okay, for you to actually understand how the system works. Once again, One Lead System Pixel is free of charge to sign up. You don't need to, we don't ask for your credit card information, we don't ask for your bank details, we don't ask for any payments from you, we don't ask for actually your ATM details, we do not ask for all those things. All we ask for you to sign up for this amazing system is for you to have simply your email address and a Facebook URL, which everyone has. If you're on Facebook, then you have a Facebook URL. You might not have an email address, but hey, it's free to actually sign up for an email address, as it is free for you to sign up for One Lead System Pixel and be on your way to start earning some commissions. So right now I will be going into my dashboard so that I can show you what it is that you need to do in the system for you to start earning. As you can see, I am on Traffic Dominators Bootcamp. This is the first thing that actually, as a newbie, as a new sign up, you will come across. Okay, that is where now your journey into earning will start. Once you understand what is in the training units, once you understand what is in the bootcamp, once you understand the growth hacks, the Meet Your Team, Action Takers, Traffic Toolbox, TD products, okay, as you can see, once you understand those things, commission generator, commissions, OSP, this here, commissions, this is where your commissions will actually be showing once you start to earn. Okay, once you earn your $20 after completing the bootcamp, your $20 will actually appear right there for you to actually know that this system really pays you to learn. Okay, so you go to OSP Dominator, comment domination, YouTube domination, Instagram domination, affiliate promotions. Okay, we have income stream. This is the advanced level. After you have learned, you have started now earning and generating some commissions with the system. You go to income stream multiplier, 30-day email hacks, VIP, link generator, TD pages, manage payments. So once you study all these things, you will find a way. There's a lot, tons and tons of ways of earning with One Lead System Pixel. So you can start with one. Like I myself, I'm starting with a paid for product, which is Comment Domination Pro. Okay, Comment Domination Pro is what I'm actually running with. Okay, I'm earning with Comment Domination Pro. Comment Domination Pro is a paid for product. If you want to use this product in One Lead System Pixel, you need to pay for it. Okay, but advertising One Lead System Pixel is actually free for everyone. Okay, you can advertise anything in the system free of charge, and you start earning commissions. Once someone buys through your link, you earn commissions. And the other thing that most newbies shun is what you are seeing here, replay. Okay, this is a live meeting that will take place in 17 hours 46 minutes. Okay, we'll have a live meeting, and the title of this meeting is Discover How Artificial Intelligence Could Make Your Graphics for You. Okay, so in this live presentation, we will be taught how artificial intelligence or AI could make your graphics for you, okay? You know, in business, okay, in business advertising, and there are people that need graphics to be created for them, okay? And then from there, you earn with this actually system. You start earning money with the system, okay? Discover how artificial intelligence could make your graphics for you, okay? A lot of people are looking for graphics for their business, for banners, for actually adverts, for a lot of things, for events. They are looking for graphic designers. So with this system, with this AI system, you actually discover, you actually earn some commission. So what you need to do is come through to the live meeting, come through to the live event. Okay, you can click on join right there, and then you follow the instructions for you to actually be invited to the live meeting. Don't shun these meetings, as you can earn money with this system. Once again, this is Manuel Elona, your friend, your brother, your mentor, and your would-be mentor, coming to you with One Lead System Pixel, the most amazing system that actually pays you to learn. So yes, we'll have a meeting in One Lead System Pixel, okay? So you need to attend these meetings. These are very important, extremely important and vital meetings for you to start earning. Here's something that you need to understand about money. People don't get employed for money. I know that sounds like something else, okay? But hey, listen to me. I want you to understand what I'm trying to put across, okay? People do not get employed because of money, but people get paid for actually giving solutions to problems. That's the reason why people get employed. You provide solutions to problems, okay? So the company hires you to solve their problems, and hence you get paid. So what am I trying to say? When you start a business like One Lead System Pixel, that will actually pay you a lot of money in the long run. But you need to understand the system. You need to study the system. You need to learn the system. You need to know how the system operates. One Lead System Pixel is all about providing solutions to people's problems. Study the system. Find a solution in the system for someone who needs it. And you get paid. That's not rocket science at all. It's a very simple and easy illustration to understand. Find solutions in the system for people that have got problems and provide the solution, and you get paid. That's what business is all about. Business is all about finding solutions to people's problems. And people will pay you. Business is not about money. It's about providing a solution to a problem. That's a primary goal of any business, to provide a solution to problems, to people's problems. You solve people's problems and people will actually pay you. They will appreciate you for solving their problems. So that's what this system is all about, okay? So don't come into One Lead System Pixel and thinking that, hey, the system doesn't work. I've been in the system for 2-3 months, nothing is happening. Hey, just pull up your socks, okay? Be consistent, okay? And you'll be surprised that one day the system will pay you. Once again, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, like and share the video so that we can reach as many people as possible. This is your friend, your brother, your mentor, and your would-be mentor, Emmanuel Elonai, signing off. Bye-bye.